G'day folks, welcome to the Frustrated Dropshipper. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change the background color of the header of the debut theme. So up here on the top where you can see where it says home and catalog, all this area here is always white. Now if you upload a logo like I've done here with a blue background, it doesn't quite look right because this area is all white. And with this theme you're not able to go in and just change the header color. I'm not sure why. It should be a feature of the theme, but it's not. Unfortunately, if you change it, you're going to be changing pretty much all the site. And now on my sites, the way I like to do is I like to have the logo on top with a background color and then the entire header to match that background color, so I can make my entire site follow that theme while still maintaining a nice light color here where the products are. So to make this header background the same color as your logo, it's a pretty easy process. The first thing you need to know is what color you want to use. So to do that, I use a website called Color Picker Online. It is located at imagecolorpicker.com. All you do here is you go ahead and click on the button that says upload your image. Go ahead and choose your image, and when you do, it'll show up here like I've done. Once you have that done, all you have to do is click on whatever section of the image you want to know the color for. So if I wanted to know the color in this circle, I'd choose that and the color would show up here. Same as with the background or any other color. So in this case, we want to have the background image here to match the background image of the logo. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that as I've done. And right here you will see the HTML code for that color. So I'm just going to leave that there for now, and I'll show you how to actually change the color in your theme. So as I mentioned, I'm using the debut theme. This is nothing special, a free theme that Shopify provides, and a pretty nice theme. And in order to change the header, you actually need to modify the code of the theme. Unfortunately, there's no setting for doing it. So to do that, go ahead and click on in your store, go ahead and click on online store and then themes. Over here on the right, go ahead and click on actions and edit code. Once your code loads, in the search box here, go ahead and type in theme.scss.liquid. So theme.scss.liquid. Once you do that, you'll see that the theme.scss.liquid file will appear. Click on that, load the file as I've done here, and then go down to the very bottom of the page. Once you go down to the very bottom of the page, actually I got some old code here. I was testing it before, so let me delete that. Once you go down to the bottom of the page, you're going to go ahead and paste in this code here. I'll put this in the description so you can just copy and paste it right from here. Once you paste this in, these codes here is obviously your color code, so you want to go back to where you grabbed your color, highlight it, copy it, go back to your files and override the image color that's there with your color. So go ahead and do this here, as well as under the mobile version, click save. Okay, so that's now saved. So when we go back here, as long as I don't pull the cache from the computer, I should be able to refresh this page and see the changes that we made. Oh, well, maybe if I actually enter my site with a password, that might work. I'm just going to go ahead and click on it from here. And there we go. So as you can see, now the background image matches the background image of our logo, and everything is all nice and seamless and looks great, while still maintaining the white and bright color of the rest of the page without having to change that. So that's how you do it. Very simple process, couple lines of code, change your color, and you'll be able to match up your background image of your logo with the background image of your header. So I hope you found this useful. Like I said before, this page is designed to provide little short helpful videos to help you succeed with your dropshipping store. So if you like this video and you like what I'm teaching, go ahead and subscribe below and hit the notification button, and I'd love to have you on my channel. Have a great day. See you later.